Alright guys, you welcome to Bismarck Digital Satellite. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a YouTube channel by using your own Android phone. So without wasting my time, let's get started. Before you create a YouTube channel by using your own Android phone, you need to download the YouTube application first from the Google Play Store. So as you can see, I have downloaded my own. So now let's get started. To open your YouTube application from your phone, then what you need to do here is that you see the top right corner there, your email logo has appeared there. Then you type on that one, the email will appear. Then you see your channel under the email address. Then you type your channel. Now here you are going to choose your channel name. Then you choose your handle, your channel handle. Then you choose your channel picture. So I have a name there, Okumtastic. Then I'll make it Okumtastic TV. Then you save it. Then you come to the handle, you type the handle. I don't want that handle name, so I'll add maybe one to that. Then you save it. Now you've done with your channel name. You've chose your channel name, you've chose your channel handle name. Then the pictures, your profile picture, you can even use that one too. Then you create the channel. You type here. Now you've created the channel. So you finish, but you hasn't. You come here where the pen symbol is, you type there. Then you come to the description. You give a description to your channel. Then you save it. Then you go back. Now you've done with your channel. Simple as ABC. Simple as ABC. Then you start creating your own video. You can create a short, you can upload a video, you can go live together, you can create a post. Simple. Kindly share this video, subscribe to Bismarck Digital Satellite TV, and also keep your comments coming in the comment section. Thank you.